more into this Outlook also, but just we'll go to this. Outlook is a mail client application. You can access mails through web browser. You're accessing a mails through web browser called a web mails. You're accessing mails through web browser is called a web mails. Okay. If you're accessing mails through an application called a mail client applications, it is. Okay. Application mails. Web mails means we can able to access web mails through web browser. So mails generally we can access through mail client applications. One of the famous application is Outlook. One of the famous Outlook is an Outlook. Okay, first point. In your mobile phone, you have a Gmail application. The Gmail application is also mail client application. So one more example for a mail client application is Gmail application in your mobile phone. Okay. So Outlook is a mail client application, means the mail client applications we can access and send, receive, or compose the mails using Outlook applications. Outlook is generally, it is a part of Microsoft Office suite. Word, Excel, PowerPoint you are getting, along with you will also get Outlook. So received or downloaded mails to your Outlook, you can access those mails anytime with or without internet, because once you receive a mails to the Outlook, these mails are inside. These mails are stored inside of my system only. So I can access those mails anytime with or without internet. But I want to compose a new mails or I want to send a new mails. I need a internet. In Outlook also we have a other features, not only sending and receiving mails and composing mails, but Outlook also provide some additional features like a calendar. These are the calendar events. So when there is a meeting, you can schedule a meeting in the calendar, or you can check the when is the next meeting. You can also schedule to-do task. Okay. So what is this to-do task? When to complete this specific task. I added all my tasks today. Or this entire calendar task, I will put it. What is the task? How much it is completed? For example, at 2 o'clock, I have to send a mail. So I write a task, 2 o'clock, I have to send a mail. 3 o'clock, I have to finish certain work. Maybe I have to do certain configuration at 3 o'clock. So I will do that one. You can arrange to-do task and task list. You can able to prepare it. And we can integrate with the calendar also, that one. In calendar also you can create those kind of events. Next, people. You can add your contacts. Okay, you can add your contacts, so then we can easily search your mail contacts from the contact list. Okay, it's a newsletters. We don't require organizational based newsletters. So nothing, no one is created. It's newly added. Organization people who are in your organization. So this is a newly added part. And this is my OneDrive because it's Office 365. So OneDrive integration is also came. These are all recently it is. If you want to add more apps to it, also you can add those applications to your Outlook. Very importantly, Outlook mail related things, you can do it. Calendar events, to-do tasks, contacts. These are the main parts of your Outlook. Okay. So this is about Outlook. నాకు చిన్న బాక్స్ లేదు నేను ఇస్తాను సార్ సార్ ఇస్తాను నేను పెట్టాను. Okay. Not only Outlook, guys, there is a different mail clients applications are there, like a Thunderbird, iPhone, Netscape Mail, like that. Okay. So there are different. Happy yoga, sir. Next. Okay. But there is a lot of story about Outlook. So you can watch our quick review Outlook part also. There are a lot of things. Different mail client, mail servers. Okay. SMTP, POP3, IMAP. These are the main three protocols used for mail communication purpose. SMTP for sending mails and POP3 and IMAP for receiving incoming mails purpose. Okay. IMAP is like a copy paste type, means it keep a copy of your mails in both server and your client application also. That's it is multi-client application support. POP3, okay, it's a cut paste. Once you download the mails to your local mail application, mail client application, the mail will be removed from the server. That's it is single client application supported type. The mails will be stored inside your system in a file. The file extension is .ost or .pst. .ost means offline storage table. If your mail server is Microsoft Exchange or Office 365 Exchange, the mails will be stored in the file, the Outlook data file with the extension of .ost. If your mail server is other than the Microsoft Exchange, the Outlook file name is .pst extension, personal storage table. The Outlook mails generally stores under C drive users with your username, app data, local, Microsoft Outlook. This is the location where your Outlook data files are stored. You can also check it. What is the difference between two CC and BCC? When we use CC, when we use BCC. Okay. So if you are sending a mail to me, to Latif at the rate of scientist.com. Okay. So I'm the direct recipient. So I can see and I will give you a reply. Then CC. But you want to tell, you send a mail to me. So that should be known by someone. Well, for example, Vista Madam also should know you send a mail to me. Okay, then you put a CC Vista at the rate of 70 star. Okay. For example, I want to send a mail to everyone of you separately. Instead of sending separate mails, separate mails, and instead of sending, I put all your mail IDs into the BCC and put the data and click send. You're all getting mails. But if I send a mail to everyone, so for example, here it is Harika is there. Harika got the mail, but Harika don't know the same mail also sent to the Jansi and Priyanka and Srividya also. Okay, same mail I sent to the other people also. I don't know. I received a mail, but the same mail also sent to others. I don't know who are the other people. Who are the other people? That is BCC, blind carbon copy. So find out again. How to take a backup and restore your Outlook. Find out. Another important, what is mail rules and signatures? What is calendar? Scheduling a meeting, to do task. Okay. And one more they're asking, what is how to create a Outlook profile in this document? I think I didn't mention it. How to create a Outlook profile. If you are unable to send and receive mails, what you will do it? Okay. If application not working. Outlook application not working means application issue. Go to control panel, programs and features, Microsoft Office. Right click, change and repair. Try online repair. Or scan your system with antivirus. Restart your system. Remove temporary files. This is application related issues. If you are unable to send and receive mails, check internet is working or not. Internet is working means it can be application based issue, application configuration, user account, user account related or user account password related. It can be mail server related issue or mailbox related issues. Check the configuration of Outlook. So make sure our configuration is good or not. Check the password is changes, any recent password changes. Log into the webmail and try to access your mails. If you are successful log into webmail means your account is active, password is good, so no problem in it. Maybe it is Outlook related configuration issue. Active password. Try to send a mail or receive mail. So then it is the mail sending and receiving will help you to understand. So if you are not able to send a mail through web browser also, through webmail also. What is the thing? Maybe mailbox is full. If your mailbox is full, you can't send and receive mails. What to do? Delete any unnecessary mails or old mails, no longer required mails, sent mails, dropped mails. Please delete those mails. Empty your mailbox so then we can able to send and receive mails. You can able to send and receive mails through webmail, not from the Outlook. So again, Outlook based configuration, virus related issue. Check your C drive is full. In case of C drive is full also, you can't able to send and receive mails. Now what is the last one is how to configure Outlook profile and how to configure an Outlook. First go to the control panel, category. So it's not category, it is a large icons only. Go to large icons, means all control panel items. Go to mail in brackets Microsoft Outlook. Click on here. So there you can able to find the profile, account, data file information. Let it open, it take time. This is mail setup. Outlook, it is showing this window. Mail accounts. You want to manage your existing mail accounts or you want to add new mail accounts to your existing one. So this is my Outlook. Already my company mail account is there. I want to add one more mail, so I can add it. Like click on new, give the mail information, configure it, so I can add a new mail account here. Okay. You want to access um, uh, your mail data file, Outlook data file. Go to data file, open file locations. There you can find your data file like this. Okay. Next. What is that? It is mail accounts. You want to add one more email account or you want to manage existing mail account configured in your Outlook, that is option. Data file. You want to manage your data file, just click on the data file. You can able to see that one. If you click on open Outlook file location, it will open you can able to see where is the file and kind of stuff. Okay, profile. The important is they keep on asking how to create a profile. So in a profile, see show profiles. This is already existing profile. In this profile, already one account is added. This one is account is added. Latif70s.com. Okay. I want to add one more. I want to add one more email account to this existing profile. Just have to go to properties, email account. Then I will add one more email account to it. Or I want to add another email account in separate profile. Means separately, when I open this Outlook, I will select the profile. So in that profile, what mail account I added, that mails only I can able to see. I don't need to want to see both the mail information in the single window. Personal, I will maintain separately. Organization related, I want to maintain. Personal mails, I will want to separate profile. Organization mails, separate profile. So I will click on add and type, okay, personal. Okay, so profile name is personal. For example, just for I'll specify my personal email account here. Okay, you can do manual setup, automatic setup. When you do manual setup compulsory, if it is outside of, so try automatic, not working, then compulsory you have to take things. Generally, if Microsoft mail accounts are automatically, it can be configured. Okay, but other than that one, like gmail.com, yahoo.com, better to configure with these options. So you have to specify your name, your email ID, which is your incoming mail, then what is your incoming mail server name or IP address, outgoing mail server or IP address. Okay, your email account name and email password, okay, or a password. Once done, go to more settings and configure it. Okay, for example, I'm putting Latif. Okay, I am my incoming mail is Gmail. That's IMAP Gmail. Outgoing is smtp.gmail. It's not universal, guys. Depends upon that mail server. Then I have to give that app password. Okay. And go to more settings. Select outgoing server. Select this first option. Okay. Because incoming and outgoing mail server username and password is same. And advanced. So nowadays we are using this. So it is like a SSL TLS encryption methods. Select SSL TLS encryption. Put their related port number. Okay. So that port numbers. Click OK. Once configuration is done, click on the test account. Once click on test account, testing is successful. Then go to next and finish your configuration. So once you are finished, in this specific personal profile, your account will be created. Okay. In this one, nothing is there right now. Nothing is there. Okay. I added a profile. I have to add the email account to this profile, but I didn't add it. Okay. But it is created. Okay. So that is profile creation, account configuration. One or two things also we'll see. Guys, this is new mail. If in case in my Outlook, I configure multiple mail accounts, so I have to change it. Send from which user, my current user or different user, I want to send. Send from which user, you have to select it. Schedule send. So you can schedule on the specific time this mail has to be sent. For example, evening 6 o'clock you have to send, or maybe at afternoon 2 o'clock you have to send a mail. You may forget. You can configure your mail and you can schedule the mail. It will be sent. It's a new feature in your Outlook. To CC subject and body. And this is signature. So instead of typing signature, always you can add your signature to your email account. Okay. Insert signatures. So you can configure different signature for different purposes. You can add your signature to it automatically. ఎందుకు నేను వినను కదా. Okay. Second, I received a mail. Okay. This mail is sent to two users. Directly, mail is sent to this one. Okay. If I reply, so it is showing if I got a reply mail. So if I send a mail, from that mail I got a reply. So it will show RE and with a additional data like this, along with the previous mail information and as. If I send a mail, the person who received a mail got the reply RE in it. So I have to find that kind of stuff. I think we do not have any requirements. Uh, Generally, I don't play with this things. Reply. Sent mails also. You can see. Okay, I do not have that reply kind of mails. Maybe I have it, but it will take time to. Uh, yeah. Lot of things are there, guys. FW means forwarded mails. If I forward this mail to other user, okay. If I forward this mail, this is forwarding. So in this one, you can see forward FW means this is I'm forwarding this mail to some other person. It is forward mails. In subject, you see FW means it is forwarded mails. If it is reply mails, then it will the subject on this subject, what subject it is. So on that one, it shows RE. Okay. See, RE means reply. And these replies, one reply or multiple replies. For example, um, 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 where is my mails? Recently, I accessed that mails. Okay, not this one. This is a company mail forward mails, no reply mails. Even you reply also, you won't get sound. Just now only I done draft. Okay, anyway, take it one example and reply to all means those who are in the to list, everybody will get reply. Okay, that's enough, guys. It's already taken. Any doubts, questions regarding the Outlook? You can segregate your mails into different parts. So, in our organization, people are getting birthdays. Why should this birthday things should be there inside of my inside of my main inbox? But mails are in the inbox only, but in a separate folder like a happy birthdays. So there is no conflict. So these are not very, very important mails. Important mails are these important meeting mails, curriculum informations, class conducting related are important. These are events, external, some other third party people. So their advertisements wise, I am getting the mails. That's it is in the external mails. H1B process, 10 people also there in our organization. Once it is completed, we got the mail. So on for a particular person, finally got the mails. System generated mails. These are all VATs. Is also like that. VATs from VATs, it is organization, internal mails, universities and all kind of stuff. Okay. So these are also iLog. So company mails with this happy birthdays, anniversary kind of stuff. Okay. But these are some important mails. Even here it is. I got some mails from kind of this mail account. If I receive any mails from this domain, if I received any mails from this specific one, so I can keep it in separate folder also by doing this mail rules. Go to settings, find out the rules, add a new rule. What is the rule name and what is the condition? If you receive any mail from specific person, okay, so that mail will go to this specific folder or delete it, move it, copy it like that, route it, forward. So you received a mail, it should be forward to the specific one. Okay, like that we can directly configure it. Okay. condition. You received a mail from, okay, where is this? Okay, any mail ID. See, this is from here. But these are the names, so complete names. So you have to, I will find any um, uh, anyone from here. Okay, any mails from this specific one, I will put forward to the some other people like that. Yeah, that's enough. I'm not doing anything. Already people gone, only 3 members are there. So guys, once again, important points are asking what is a Outlook? What is a Outlook? What are the protocols used for mail communications? Difference between a POP3 and IMAP. What is Outlook data file? EST, OST. What's the difference? What's the difference between two CCC, two CC and BCC? How you back up your Outlook data? Okay. Other things. If you are unable to send and receive mails, what you will do? Your Outlook application is not working. What you do? Plus, how you created a Outlook profile. So, what is the purpose of creating Outlook profile and how to create a Outlook profile? Okay. Go to the control panel, large icons. Go to mail, click on it. There we can see show profile. Go to profile, show profile, add profile. In that profile, when you're adding a profile, in that profile, you're adding the mail account inside. You configure mail account in the profile. So then when you open the Outlook, so you can switch to that profile for that specific mails you can able to access. Why we are creating profile? Separate profiles for separate mails access purpose. Okay, that's it. Nothing more. Okay. Guys, that's it for today. Guys, you tomorrow no session. Again, today and tomorrow, search what topics you are want to hear once more or any doubts in the specific part also. Please put it in your WhatsApp group. Friday, we are going to discuss. If you don't say anything, means I don't take the class also. Okay. Any doubt, any thought? If possible, I will give you information or maybe we'll discuss on the next sessions. Be prepared and happy holidays also. Tomorrow is holiday. Okay. So take rest and be prepared. Okay.
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me, tell me.
Sir, will automation work for Outlook, sir?
Automation means what kind of automation?
Sir, for normal emails and all, we have multiple users and we have to send the same content for multiple people. So by
Okay.
using Excel or Sheets, we'll be using automation and sending mails to the
Yeah.
people. So
Through
like that,
Excel. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
very good question actually. Um, in Excel, I have a email ID. Okay. In Excel, we have a email ID. And in a document, I have a mail content. Okay. In a document, I have a mail content. In Excel, we have a data. In Excel, we have a data. Your name, email ID, like that, we have things. We can combine, means this email, Excel, that username, IDs, we can merge into this document and create separate docs. That is called a mail merge. The concept is mail merging. You can do merging from Excel to Outlook. You can merge it and take a printouts, or you can send a mails to their individual mails through your Outlook. So in your system, Outlook is already configured. So then what you do, you have a Excel with your data, your name, username, like a person name, ID, email ID, like that. Information is your salaries, kind of stuff. In documents, we have a matter to address, from address. Okay. So for this person name, ID, something mentioned in the document. We can merge it, this data, fill this data into documents, separately, and we can send mails through your Outlook to those people separately. It's a possible. It's there in the now mail and document mail merging this step. Okay. You can use
Okay,
Power
sir.
Automate to do that one also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. So that's what I'm saying. It is explore more. Lot of doubts options are available. This is Power Automate. Using this one also, you can do it. But if I open, it will take time to open. So if possible, remind me in any next sessions. I will show you how to do automation. No, it's okay. But you can use different automation tools also. You can do entire process or simply go to the Excel and document, merge it, send through the Outlook. There's a direct options also. Okay, very good.
Okay, sir.
Okay. It's already 1:18. Go for lunch, guys, and be